Welcome to another Google Chat tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Chat in Gmail. As you can see here, I have here in the left pane Google Chat inside my Gmail. All right, just go ahead over to mail.google.com. Now in here, if you don't have this on your left pane, just go ahead and go to the settings right here at the top right near your apps. Click on it. Now click on See All Settings. Click on it. Now what we're going to do in here in these tabs, just locate Chat and Meet, which is right here. Click on it. And if yours is set to off right here under the section Chat, make sure that you enable Google Chat. All right, once done, just hit on Save Changes and you should be able to see your Google Chat right here. All right, as you can see, you'll be able to go home, which basically looks like the Google Chat website. All right, this is home right here. Mentions, as you can see, go ahead over to Mentions. Now to start right here and direct messages. All right, that's basically how you do it, and that's easy it is to use Google Chat in Gmail. In here you can go ahead and make a call, search the message or the particular message in this chat, or you can go ahead and open the pop-up. All right, right here, it's like you're using a Facebook Messenger right here. All right, close this one if you don't want it, and here you'll be able to see your spaces and apps, and that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.